Sean Vlogs.
MLBB.
At yun. Mag-iusong sana ako eh. Di ko alam kung sino mag-explain. Content ko sana iusong eh.
I wouldn't would betray me.
Ayaw mag-adjust ng lapo ah. By the way, yung lapo pala, yun pala yung kaibigan kong si Axel. Axel Binya. By the way, mga kasyan, wag niyong kakalimutan mag-subscribe ah. Para maka 50 subscribers tayo. Yun, salamat. Ito na nga, punta na akong XP lane. R2. By the way mga guys, pag mag-iusong kayo, unahin nyo pala yung third skill bago kayo mag-first skill.
There is no future in your riverlands behind closed borders. Doubt my intentions. In the end, only the victor will be remembered.
First blood.
Ganun lang mga guys.
I only demonstrate my true strength when necessary.
An enemy has been slain.
Ikaw yung pass.
Request backup. Understood.
In time, the world will bow before me.
Tayo ba pala?
Justice. What a pretty word to fool the weakling. I don't give a damn if the world is against me. Me? No. It's you who put yourself in danger.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Stubbornness will be your undoing, great dragon.
You have slain an enemy.
Sagawin na rin natin. Pati yung turtle.
Suffer!
Double.
Kayo bahala kung magre-recall kayo o hindi. O kung
Makes me even
kung malakas loob nyo,
Ally has
ano
been
lang kayo.
slain.
Laban lang kayo. Pero kung katulad nyo ako,
Nonsense! Dragon Altar is the true peril of Cadia Riverlands.
Killing spree.
gusto yan mga san.
Give me a break, or you'll suffer a miserable death. Suffer!
Tutulungan natin
Doubt
An
my
enemy has been
yung
slain.
ano ng lapo.
only the victor will be remembered.
An enemy has been slain.
Ngayon, makakaranas kayo ng pagbubuli dahil sa
Bow before me.
An enemy has been slain.
What doesn't kill me makes me even stronger.
Has been slain.
Okay mga guys. Huwag niyong pansinin yung ingay na nasa likuran ko.
Great dragon. Suffer! Soon, a new world will be dawning. Behind closed borders.
An ally has mega kill. Double kill.
Raulo.
Killing spree.
Fret not. You can't escape the inevitable. I don't... Me? No. It's you who put
An
yourself
enemy
in
has been
danger.
slain.
Salamat po sa lahat.
Our turret has been destroyed. Understood.
Give me a break, or you'll suffer a miserable death.
Your team destroyed the turret. Mega kill. Ally has been. An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Enemy backup. Understood.
Love ko eh.
Enemy rampage. Shut down.
Suffer!
Initiate retreat.
Nonsense! Dragon Altar is the true peril of Cadia Riverlands. Soon, a new world will be dawning.
Our turret is under attack.
Is it my fate?
Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Justice. What a
Ay,
pretty
light
word to
na.
fool
Titignan
the
natin yung
weakling.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. Slain. An ally has been double kill.
kasama ng labo.
An enemy has been slain.
Push na, push.
Clear up lane.
There is no right or wrong, only consequences.
You destroy the turret. You have been slain. An enemy has been slain.
To the grand victory.
Ano, Axel? Isa pa? After.
What doesn't kill me makes me even stronger. Suffer! Give me a break, or you'll suffer a miserable death. Me?
Your team destroyed a turret.
You who put yourselves in danger.
Our turret is under attack. Your team double kill. Killing spree.
Maliban lang sa first option.
In time, the world will bow before me. Suffer! I only demonstrate my true strength when necessary. Suffer!
Shut down. Mega kill. Ally has been slain. Ally has slain Lord.
In the end,
Mega kill. Ally has been slain. Shut down. Enemy double kill.
the Black Dragon has arrived!
You have been
Is it my fate to fall on this day?
Tapos po,
Ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Fret not. You can't escape the inevitable. Nonsense. Dragon Ult.
Ally has been
Peril
slain.
of Cadia
tulungan
Riverland.
natin yung laban.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Our turret has been initiate retreat. Understood.
Dragon.
Our turret is under attack. Team destroy the turret. An enemy has been slain.
Suffer!
You have slain an enemy. Your team destroyed the turret. Shut down.
Future for Cadia Riverland behind closed borders.
Yung mga classics sa dito sa ML, may nagsisegue.
Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Attack!
Dapo retreat!
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Okay.
The Black Dragon has arrived!
You have slain an enemy. You have been slain. An ally has been slain.
Roar!
Our turret is under attack.
Under attack mo. Dapo, kaya mo yun.
Killing spree.
In time, the world will bow before me.
Okay, try natin i-push dito sa mid lane.
An enemy has been slain.
Tutulong tayo sa...
Understood.
Fret not. You can't escape the inevitable.
Ally has been slain.
Suffer!
Enemy rampage.
I'm too weak.
I only demonstrate my true strength when necessary.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
The Black Dragon has arrived! Is it my fate to fall on this?
An ally has slain Lord.
Galing ng Odette, wow! So nga lang yata malag.
Enemy dominated. An enemy has been slain.
Push, push!
Launch attack. Backup.
Understood.
Request launch attack.
No, it's you who put yourselves in danger.
Shut down. Launch attack. An enemy has
Tigilan
been
talaga ng minions. Lakas mag-death.
launch attack.
Kaklatch ng minions to.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Nonsense. Dragon Altar is the true peril of Cadia Riverlands. What doesn't kill me makes me even.
Nata ng lapon, kanina.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Stubbornness will be your undoing.
Nice!